Welcome back to another day of trading. Today is Thursday. It is February 20th, 2025. It is 6:30 and the market's open. Gonna wait our first 5 minutes, get our levels set, and wait for our 5-minute break and retest. Alright, that's 6:35. We ironically have our pre-market high and 5-minute high and then 5-minute low and pre-market low pretty close. I'm going to use both of these levels as one in itself. I'm going to be feeling pretty cautious today. The market in its whole has been pretty sideways choppy this past week. So I'm not really looking for a big move right now. We are coming very close to all-time highs, and we have this weekly liquidity level right here that we tapped once and rejected hard on. As you can see how much further we came down. Once we get past that level, then we'll shoot for all-time highs. As of right now, it's acting as a lot of resistance and kind of pushing the market sideways, but in a sideways down-ish trend. I mean, I'd love to see the market go for all-time highs, but as of right now, like I said, I'm going to play a little cautious. We do have some news as well at 7:30. Natural gas, that could be a decent one. And then there's crude oil later today, but that's later in the afternoon. So we're just going to have patience and wait for our setup to present itself. Got a really strong impulsive candle down, break through the pre-market low and 5-minute low. Now we're waiting on the retest into our 5-minute low. Got a really strong price action with buyers stepping in to push the this candle up. Gonna wait and see how the next couple candles react. I want to see if we'll have a couple candlesticks close below this level before entering into a short. However, I do think we might see it start to slow step up into this level and buyers step in more to reclaim the zone. We just broke low of day. I might have missed out on my entry with this candle here. I just was really uncertain because the amount of indecision that we have here with a lot of buyers stepping in. It does look like the sellers are reclaiming the area though. So I'm gonna wait to see if we have, this is a much better displacement that I wanted to see with this showing the sellers stepped in. Now we have the buyers stepping back in. I want to see the retest into our level here, and then I could hop into a short, but if we break above it and have a candlestick close above, then that play would be invalid. Alright, so yeah, it looks like I did miss my entry right here. We did have a retest. It was a really strong retest. That's why I was a little hesitant. Hoping we will have a true retest into the 5-minute low here before flushing out some more. Right now we're gonna have resistance with previous day low, so we might see like a reversal into this, up into this, back in this level. As of right now, though, the overall trend does look pretty bearish to the downside, which I'm not upset about. Yeah, the sellers are really stepping in. I missed that on the move. I'm getting total FOMO. That sucks. Depending on how strong they'll break through this previous day low, I can wait for a break through this and a retest into it to enter into a short. At this point, though, the market has seen a substantial drop, so I'm not sure how much further the market will allow for it to go. Not enough displacement right now. Like I said, ideally, I want to see a bounce off of this. Let's retest back into the 5-minute low with some strong price action to fail here. And then we could target low of day. But man, the sellers are really stepping in here. So here's our break, retest into the previous day low with some strong price action by the sellers. Looks like we're going to get a candlestick close below this level. Wow, yeah. Whoa, what a flush that was. Okay. Bummer, I'm waiting for this candlestick to close, but...
Order submitted.
Well, let's see if we could flush all the way down to this liquidity zone that I have down here. Wow, the market is moving strong. I'm just going to keep moving this here. I'm going to break even. Don't start reversing on me now, guys. Let's get the flush all the way down. Looks like we're getting some resistance right here. I don't like the buyers stepping in right here. We need to see the seller step in again. Move this to low of day. Let's get our first target hit. Come on.
Target filled.
Broke through our first
Order
target.
canceled.
Oh man, and it just tapped our second one. Came so close. This is a liquidity zone. This is a weekly liquidity zone, so it's sitting with a lot of resistance. This is probably where we'll see the market start turn around. Let's see where this next candle closes. It looks like the buyers really are stepping up again, but man, the sellers are fighting back. This is a wild day. What a day to record. I'm gonna close out of this pretty shortly.
Order submitted.
All right, that was here it comes, of course. That was a crazy trade. Really, we didn't really get any. We had a slightest retest of our 5-minute low. We had a quick retest of our previous day low. Breaking this previous day low just allowed for the market to flush. Oh man, if I was in right here when I wanted to take this, I was super hesitant though. My God, this would have been an incredible move. But yeah, it is just a little bit before 7 o'clock, and I am done for the day. No reason to trade this anymore. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see everyone on Friday.